Hello everyone. My name is Taisir Mohammad Farooq and I am studying in 6th semester. My topic for today is Introduction to HTML and its structure. The contents we are going to discuss in this presentation is the brief about HTML, objective of HTML, structure, advantages and disadvantages of HTML. Let's come to the brief about HTML. HTML is a language for describing web pages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Generally or logically, HTML is not a programming language, but it is a markup language. A markup language is a set of markup tags. You have different kinds of tags in HTML which can be used to create web pages. HTML uses markup tags to describe web pages. Objectives of HTML. HTML can be used to create, save, and view a HTML document. It can format a web page using section heading tags. It can describe ordered and unordered list. HTML can be used to explain graphics in HTML document, and it can also be used to describe hypertext links and making text images link. You have web pages or different web pages links which you can put inside your HTML code, and whenever you click it, the HTML web pages redirected to your different web page. So coming to the next topic, the structure of HTML, which is a very, very, very important topic to understand the framework of HTML. So like in the first line, which you can see, you have something called as doc type HTML. What do you mean by doc type HTML? Doc type HTML is a declaration to show the document type. You have a HTML file. It is used to show that the HTML file is starting here, and it is used to help the web browser to display the web page correctly. And then you have in the second line, you have something called as the HTML. HTML tag is used to show the start of the HTML file. And in the last line, you can see HTML preceded with a forward slash. It is used to end your HTML files. And then you have the third line. In the third line, you have something called as head, and this tag gives you information about the file, and this is actually a metadata. Okay, and then it is proceeding with a forward slash, then that means the header file is ending. So you have another tag inside the header tag which is called as your title tag. Title tag defines the title of the web page, and it is to be displayed on the tab of a web browser. And then followed by your header tags, we have something called as your body. Body defines the main body. Everything within the body tags appears on the web page. Okay, so like whatever you write inside, like h2 tag, p means paragraph content, everything is inside your body tag. So this is the basic structure of your HTML. And as you know, as I explained it to you, p tag means this tag defines a paragraph. So this is all about your structure of HTML. This is a basic structure of HTML. There are many things which can be added into your HTML, like what do you say, like different types of bullets, breaking statements, etc., etc., and links. Specifically. Now, coming to the next topic of your HTML, we have the advantages of HTML. HTML is a very easy to use language. It is having loose syntax. It is very flexible. You can write any type of code. And coming to the third point, it is supported on almost every browser. You can write HTML code and you can deploy it to your server, where it can be used and accessed in any kind of browser. It is widely used. Everyone uses HTML. Like every website which you browse till today is actually established on or made on HTML, and it is very similar to XML syntax. XML means extended markup language, which is increasingly used for data storage. And the fifth most important point is that it is free to use, and you do not need to buy any software. It is easy to learn and code even for noise programmers. Even if you're starting to code today, HTML is a very good option. So coming to the disadvantages of HTML. HTML is a static and plain. Static and plain. What do you mean by static and plain? Static and plain means that you cannot put any dynamic edits in your web page. Like sometimes you can see in web pages, you can just see those running through commentaries, or those advertisements which come in. So you cannot do that using HTML, but you can do it by using another extension called as CSS, that is cascading style sheets, which we'll be learning further in the program. And HTML is not completely secured, and it provides only few security tools to secure your web pages. And as we saw in your above structure, this is the basic of your structure in HTML. So that means that long codes become complex. Okay, so like you have to write lots and lots of code to write a HTML program, which is actually connected with your next point, which says that we need to write a lot of code for simple page. Like it's like if you want to create a simple form, you have to write lots and lots of code, which makes it complex. And this is one of the biggest disadvantages of HTML, which people are facing till now. But as there are different kinds of AI tools which is helping you out with this, so you guys can actually learn and understand about it. So that's it. That's the end of the presentation. Thank you.